Oh, come on. Bro. First try. Hello, just wanted to pop in and say thank you for watching, and if you enjoy this video, please give me a like to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe. Cracked! I thought it said cracked. Alright, we're gonna be cheeky with it. Told you. Cheeky with it. What? He's just chasing somebody? On a four-wheeler? Thing. Ooh, should I? I am. Let's see how this goes. No! I pressed the wrong buttons. Can I get it? Thank you. Bro, you didn't get me. Oh, you died. No. Oh. Okay. I was really hoping to... Ow! Nope. I just heard, get out! Good lord. Huh? Ah! Ah! I got you, Max. I got you, Ewok. Hello. Hello. Come on, we're doing a long flank. No! Shh, yourself, bro. Dinkelberg. Dinkelberg, I'm trying, okay?
You're gonna be fine.
Dinkelberg, you look real weird.
They won't notice a thing.
Bro had no idea. Oh, no, he has an idea. No idea. Yeah, got it. There you go. Yeah. No. What? Give me a hand. No.
Be sharper. We don't have time.
No. That way. Ow. Bro. What? Song about lagging. Oh. It is what it is. Alright, we're gonna run in with a bow. What's good?
Victory in sight. They can't hold
Got him. Oh, come on. Bro. First try. Oh, wait a minute.
I need aid.
Anybody? Any? No. Oh, wait, there's a medic. Yes. Oh.
Victory in sight. They can't hold much longer.
Bro really said, I'm a sneaky snake.
Target down!
Objective Alpha
Curb
1
stomp.
secure.
Ooh, break it back.
Beware of enemy.
Yeah! No! I was hoping I could like whack-a-mole.
Victory in sight.
Bro. Bro. Thank you.
Wake up! Wake up!
Get out of here. No, he's on me. Oh, no, 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 no.
Wake up right!
Get down.
Enemy here!
Come here.
Wake up!
He has taken objective Bravo 1. Allied forces
Come back here, boy.
Bravo
Enemy must go!
Oh, I love this. Yeet.
Wake up! Wake up right! I'm back to support.
Okay, I don't know what just happened there. Gotcha.
Tango down! Enemy must go!
No, come here.
Shoot!
Gotcha. Oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Gotcha. Oh, I absolutely love this. Oh, I don't love this. Okay, yeah, no. Nope. Save your life. Ooh.
They've lost more than half of their troops. Maintain defensive lines.
Could have sworn I saw somebody right there. No! Oh, what? No. What in the...
Leaving the combat area is strictly forbidden.
What? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Is it gonna kill me?
Copy. Vehicle drop to target location.
Is it gonna kill me? Come on, can I get a medic? Can I get a medic? Medic, 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 medic. Oh, okay. I'm doing siege.
Back on your feet!
Back on your feet. Oh, come on.
Get behind me!
Get out of here.
Go!
Get out of here with all that crap.
Allied forces are attacking objective Alpha 1.
Did you really think I didn't see you? Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Wake up right!
Got it.
Enemy here!
Oh, come on.
Has taken objective Alpha
Oh, that dude like saw his life flash before his eyes right there. He was like, haha, you're not gonna get me, and then I pulled out the little like grappling hook and he was like, ah! No one cared about me until I put the suit on.
One, keep suppressing.
What you doing? He's just standing there. He's standing there, menacing me. Hey. Bro, what? Yeah, you're not getting away from that. Get out of here.